Hello viewers, now I will add backlink in this website and I will show you how to add backlink in this website step by step. So watch the full video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you need any backlink service, then knock me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in my video description. So check my video description. So to add backlink, go to Google and search this. Then click on this. Click on get started. Then put your email address, give a strong password, then put your username, unique username, click on sign up, then give your age, check this box. Click on next, click on almost done. Before that, check this box. I am not a robot. Click on almost done. Click on skip. They send a verification email, so check your email and verify it. Click on verify your email. Click on this is me. Now your email address is verified. You can see that congratulations. Here your account is created. Click on this home button. Click on this link. You can add link here. Add your website link. Copy your website link and paste it here. You can see that your website link is added here. This way you can add backlink in this website. I'll show you how to add another link in this website. So watch the full video. Give text here. Your website text. Write any text here. I am writing virtual. Then click on post. Now your website link is added here. You can see that. Now click on text. I will add another backlink here. Copy the website description. This is my website description. And paste it here. Now I'll add link here. Select it. Copy your website link. Select the text where you want to add backlink. Click on done. Now your link is added here. Now I will add another link. I want to rank this keyword. Copy the page URL. Select the keyword. Paste the link here. Click on done. And you can add text here and you can add title in the above if you want. I am adding text outsourcing. Now click on post. You can add many backlinks like that. You can easily rank your website, your newly published page. Here you can see that your backlink is added. Here is your post. you can see that link is added here. This way you can add backlink in this website. If you need any backlink service, then knock me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in my video description. So check my video description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.